The NBI has joined the probe of the death of 7-year-old Stephanie Nicole Ella. The girl was a victim of a stray bullet in the New Year revelry. Noel Perfecto has the details.
The NBI Death Investigation Division will conduct a parallel probe to determine how 7-year-old Nicole Ella was put in the line of fire which led to her death. This after Justice Laila de Lima ordered Assistant Director Danielito Lalusis to find the culprit who killed Nicole. This after Justice Secretary Laila de Lima ordered Assistant Director Danielito Lalusis to find the culprit who killed Nicole. The father's victim, Jay, Uncle Marvin Ella, and family pastor Renato Franco went to the NBI DID to give additional information about the incident to hasten the investigation of the case. Jay and Pastor Franco thanked President Benigno Aquino III for the assistance extended to the victim's family.
Ang gusto ko lang po ay magpasalamat kay Pangulo kasi talagang nakialam na siya doon sa may kaso ni Nicole. Yung pasasalamat ko po sa kanya, pagpapadala niya kay Ma'am Laila, pagtulong ng NBI, ng Pulis Caloocan, ng Pulis ng Maine. Lahat po sila ma'am tumutulong para lang po matapos yung kaso ni Nicole na hindi na naman mauwi sa question mark.
Mr. President, muli po ay nananawagan kami. Katulad po ng text ko sa inyo, gusto po namin ay yung katotohanan ng resulta, katarungan para sa aming minamahal na anak o miyembro ng iglesia po.
The victim's family also said that they had been receiving threats from anonymous groups and men in their area.
Protection po yung hinihingi namin sa kanila. Dahil nga po dun sa mga threat na nararamdaman namin, for safety reason lang din, sana nga wala pong threat.
Talagang medyo iba po kasi dating sa akin. Although nagtataka ako ba't gano'n dahil kami biktima, iba po dating sa akin nung narinig ko. Opo, grabe pong kaba ko, kaya sabi ko nga sa kapatid ko, yung pinakatatay, Tol, sa loob ka na, kailangan ka ni Nicole. Ako na lang dito, sabi ko sa kanya.
So merong isang motor na dumaan doon, hindi ko nakita pero narinig ko na nagbusina ng malakas pagtapat sa bahay.
For the People's Television, I'm Noel Perfecto.